Welcome back to Techali Tutorial. If you're passionate about Python or just starting out, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Dunder methods, those double underscore methods that make Python objects so powerful and flexible. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how Dunder methods work and how to use them to supercharge your Python classes. So, let's get started. First things first, what are Python objects? Simply put, objects are instances of classes, which are the blueprint for encapsulating data and functionality in Python. Every Python object comes with a set of built-in special methods, commonly known as Dunder methods. These methods let us define how our objects behave in specific scenarios, such as addition, iteration, or even string representation. Dunder, short for double underscore, methods are special methods with names like underscore underscore init underscore 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 str underscore underscore or underscore underscore add underscore underscore. By defining these methods, we can customize the behavior of our objects and integrate seamlessly with Python's built-in functions and operators. Let's look at some examples to see how this works. The underscore underscore str underscore underscore method is for end users, but for developers, we have underscore underscore repr underscore underscore. This method provides a detailed, unambiguous representation useful for debugging. While underscore underscore str underscore underscore is about readability, underscore underscore repr underscore underscore is about accuracy. One of the simplest and most useful Dunder methods is underscore underscore str underscore underscore. This method defines how your object is represented as a string when you use the str function. Here's an example. Now, when we call print on a person object, it will display a user-friendly string instead of a cryptic object reference. Dunder methods also allow us to override arithmetic operations. For instance, we can define an underscore underscore add underscore underscore method to add two objects together. Here's how. With this, you can now use the plus operator to combine counter objects. Want to make your objects behave like lists or dictionaries? The underscore underscore get item underscore underscore method is what you need. With this method, you can access elements using index notation, just like a regular list. Managing resources efficiently? That's where underscore underscore enter underscore underscore and underscore underscore exit underscore underscore come in. These methods are key to creating context managers. Now, you can use this class with a with statement to automatically manage resources. To make your objects iterable, you need to implement the underscore underscore iter underscore underscore and underscore underscore next underscore underscore methods. Here's a simple iterator. Now, you can use a for loop to iterate over instances of this class. In this video, we explored some of the most essential Dunder methods in Python. From underscore underscore str underscore underscore and underscore underscore repr underscore underscore to underscore underscore add underscore 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 get item underscore underscore and more. Mastering these methods will not only make your code more efficient, but also more Pythonic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth Python tutorials.